Why are there not more people talking about snoring? It's not just annoying, it's a nightly mystery. Snoring happens when the flow of air through your mouth and nose is partially blocked while you sleep. This causes the tissues in your throat to vibrate, producing that oh-so-lovely sound we all know. But why does it happen? Well, it can be due to a number of reasons. For some, it's just the way they're built. Narrow airways, long soft palates, or even a big tongue can make snoring more likely. For others, lifestyle factors like smoking, alcohol, or even sleeping position play a role. And let's not forget, age and weight can be culprits too. As we get older, our throat muscles get weaker. And extra weight can put pressure on those airways. So, next time you hear a snore, just remember, it's a symphony of your body's quirks. Now grab those earplugs and sleep tight.